Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A2 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. To get started, we're gonna hold our power button and we're gonna select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now when you see the Mi logo, let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. Next thing you will see is this Android with no command. So to get past this, you're gonna hold power button and press volume up once more, and this will then take you to the recovery mode. Now in here, you will need to use volume buttons, either up or down, to navigate respectively, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that in mind, the options that we have access to, we have reboot system now, we have bootloader, fast boot mode, wipe data, on system, vlags, run tests, and power off the device. Now out of curiosity, I'm gonna just check out the reboot to bootloader because I believe this device actually doesn't have a bootloader, but we'll see in a second. I presume this will take me to fast boot mode, and yeah, there we go. So anyway, obviously to leave the previous recovery mode, all you needed to do is select reboot to system. I think that's what it was called, which will just basically take you back to Android. But from fast boot mode, I just need to hold the power button till the screen turns off, and the device will now boot up on its own. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.